don't wanna hear it. Explanations that I give, you don't even feel it. Running around trying to make the feria flow. A man I am, so I prove it just to let you know. In this life I was chosen to make it happen anyway. You know what I do, but you always hate the ways. It's the price we gotta pay, let's talk when I get home. I don't wanna argue, empty my pockets, turn off my phone. Nothing but love is what I wanna bring. Baby, understand, I'm not trying to be mean. You know what I'm doing, so chill with the drama scenes. Love me cause I'm home, hold me till we fall asleep.
When you're coming home, you've been out in the streets, spending all hours just to stay on your feet. When you're coming home, you've been out with your friends. What about me? When you're coming home, I've been waiting to see. Don't baby, baby, baby me. When you're coming home, I'm not asking again. What about me?
They say to walk away is easy, so I do it. Give you time to chill, I pay the price, cause to you it's foolish. You want me to face you and argue all night. I ain't feeling that, me hustle, I'm back on the grind. Getting money, yeah, chillin' or whatever is better than hearing what comes out your mouth that ain't clever. Say what you want, it makes you feel better. Hit me where it hurts, I'll stay out in bad weather. Bad weather.
It's hard to forget you. The things that you do. When you're coming home, you've been out in the streets, grabbing all hours just to stay on your feet. When you're coming home, you've been out with your friends. What about me? When you're coming home, I've been waiting to see. Don't baby, baby, baby me. When you're coming home, I'm not asking again. What about me?
Taking all these risks, baby, you know I'm used to it. Why you won't love me when I'm there? Why do we have to do this? I'm staying